Prepare clean hot water and cleaning supplies. First, clean the visible stains inside. Shake the cloud lamp gently to release any vacuum effect. Clean the interior with hot water, especially the bottom stainless steel sieve filter. Refill with fresh hot water. Pour it over the stainless steel filter. Place the unit on a flat surface and ensure the water tank is correctly installed and filled. Turn on both water and light functions. Hold the middle button for over 10 seconds until you hear a beep. Power cycle the unit to remove bubbles in the pump motor. Adjust water flow settings by pressing the right button twice. Thank you for watching. For further assistance, please contact us.